Traders, let me get the, there we go. Okay, sorry about that, YouTube. Here it comes.
Guys, I think I'm gonna stick with NVIDIA for another trial over 168. 168 was again tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times over the last lunch break. The VWAP is at 167.40. If we move a bit higher, I think this 168 may go again at the distance to 169. But let's wait for the market also to join in. At this point, we have zero support from the market, zero. Nothing, it's not interfering, but there's zero support.
Okay, traders, a couple more pennies. Anything over that 52.70, I will cover the rest of this CAB here. Gabriel, please send it to me, my friend. Okay, traders, YY looking great now. And TJ Maxx just over that 70 mark. Again, YY looking good. Down to the, down past 73.70 now. I'm going to take it off right at the 73.62 area. It's right there right now. I'm going to take the partial here on YY as soon as the ask comes down to that 60 area. Okay, I'm going to take 66 right here as a partial. 3/4 out, YY. 3/4 out, YY. Nice move. And we'll let the rest go here. I'm watching CAB also for a move back down now. See if this comes up, comes back down, fills a little bit of the gap, and then returns down to the bottom here. We'll see. Just in case, over 52.70, I will be out of the trade. Still feel like we go down below 52 on this trade here. Trade's coming up on 3 o'clock. We've got about an hour left in the day. I wouldn't short TJX, no. No. I would just stay to the long side on the trade. EXTR, the stop loss will be 1025 break of. Hey, traders, I am out of the rest of the cab, CAB. Tesla. The ETX has come back up. Let me take a look at Tesla here. I have not seen this except for the morning session all day. I haven't followed it. Oh, yeah. Under probably 361.50. Or if you got it at that 362, congratulations. That's real good.
Guys, finally scratched MDXG. It's like the symbol doesn't go through my brain. Long idea over 17. It just broke the VWAP. We should have shorted it actually at 17 with the 3-cent stop loss instead of waiting for this one to move higher. the idea was, of course, because of the great volume and it's up 6%, you expect it to move. The daily is great also, but it was not to beat, definitely not today. Market, no news on that one. As we head into the last hour of trading, still have hopes for NVIDIA to break 168. Although if it's not going to do it very fast, I'm not going to take it in the last half hour. And basically, this is it. I have no other trade ideas at this point, really. CJ, NVIDIA is a market stock at this point of the day. I mean, it's not going to outperform the market. Actually, it is still lower on the day, down what, 0.4? Oh, it's not going to move by itself.
Fabio, I got the cap trade from somebody here in the room had announced the cap trade. I do use NewsHedge. NewsHedge is a scanner that I use that brings those type of para moves to my attention.
Keith, I think NewsHedge is a subscription-based service. As for myself, I don't use it, and you'd better stick off. I mean, stick to the top 20 here, and you'll be fine. Believe me, there are plenty of trade ideas. You don't need to spend your money elsewhere and wait for trades out of the blue. You have plenty of trade ideas here on the top 20, and just be focused, and you can find great ideas, really. 90% from the trade ideas here in the room, or if not more, are coming from the COMEX top 20. Cheap, $0 per month screener, really.
Okay, Rafael, you take care of yourself. You cannot trade pre or post market. Nope.
And Steiny, this is a great thing that you cannot trade pre or post market. It's saving you a lot of money, believe me, saving you a lot of money.
How long can you hold it? I mean, you could hold a short share for as long as you want to. As long as the company's in business and doesn't go to zero, you're still in the trade. So you can hold things overnight. It's based on 20% of your account value.
Guys, this is, I think, the first day up for TEVA, coming from the 17 bottom. First day up for the stock. May signal some reversal. However, if you check on the volume, guys, you see that the volume is actually dwindling. So it's still trading 18 million shares, but the volumes are going, lower. So this is not a move up on news. This is like, I think it's more window dressing. I won't trust this stock at this point to be a great move to the upside. And there were a couple of actually nice calls on TEVA today in the room. Don't remember what were the entry points, but Amir had one, I guess Tim had one. And this stock is a small mover, but it was a winner today all the way. But if you look at the price action on the daily, it's still like way down, and the volume on the move up today was not, a bigger volume on a higher volume. So I think this is a short-lived rebound. That's how it looks to me at this point.
Okay, traders, the only thing I'm in right now is EXTR to the long side, and I still have some YY short right now. And that's it. I'm out of cab. And I think it does go lower. We'll see as we enter into the last hour of trading right now. That's my read on the stock right now anyway. I just scalped it, took out a few $100, and I'm done. I got cab, Fabio, from the room. Someone here in the room mentioned CAB on a para move. Yep, somebody in the room. And that's one good thing for the, being a part of the room. You're going to have people that have scanners. You're going to have people that look for stocks like that. Their trading style might be different than yours. Their trading style is to trade the para moves. So you're always going to have that input, and that's one of the great things about being part of a trading room.
Scott, there are 300 at one point, 300 live scanners. Who needs another scanner?
True. That's true.
Guys, another stock, well, maybe the last one that I'm following today, after NVIDIA got rejected from the 168, is still CEAS, SeaWorld, over 1420. And this will be, I guess, my last trade for today, if it's going to make it there. Like I said before, got disappointed by MDXG, now 40 cents down from the 17. And basically, as we hit the last 30 minutes of trading, I won't be aggressive in the last 30 minutes. The market is dead. CEES, hold on, CEES. I don't see Jose such a stock, and AAP again. AAP. Regarding AAP, it's now moving sideways. Haifa, you missed on the great move over 86. You missed on the move over the VWAP. Now it can go anywhere. Don't be surprised if it's going to move another $1 up or $2 down. Anything is possible. The CS trade is, let me post it. It's the number one stock on the top 20. Again, talking about scanners. The issue with it, it's once it had a spike from 1320 to 1480. So a spike of $1.50 on a $13 stock. That's big. But there was very little volume continuation. The stock did move sideways most of the time, but the volume, lousy. So this is why it's I'm hesitant about trading it, because the volume is lousy. Kite was an amazing trade over lunch, but it came out of the blue with zero volume, and you had to be a bit opportunistic to take this trade, that trade on Kite. And since then, I mean, it had a $2 move in half an hour, and that was it. That was all she wrote. Regarding RIG rig, once upon wow. Actually, the stock is that the pattern over 8 looks great, Anthony, but the stock is down 8% today. Sorry, 5% today. I think this stock is at all-time lows, really. I remember trading rig at 70, maybe 3 years ago or 5 years ago. It was an amazing stock. Now, because of what happened with the oil shale and all the other, oil business that put the rig, I guess, the rig business out of business, and I don't know anything about this business or the other, the stock has been, squashed. It looks a long over 8, technically you can get into it, but if you watch the daily, buying this stock is like buying a falling knife. The daily is terrible. I mean, this stock hasn't seen a good day. Maybe once over the last 4 months, I see two good trading days and zero continuation after that. So I won't buy into it. And this is now you're hitting the last half hour of trading. It looks, kind of boring. So it was supported. It hit supported the lows, 750 or 760. Since then, it made it to 8. 8 is going to be probably a long play for like 5 cents, maybe 10 cents. Then the sellers, which control the stock, are going to be, taking it down again. And I guess that tomorrow is all inventories, and Thursday recount. So maybe Thursday it's going to be a better day for rig. Maybe Thursday. The biotech sector today is actually positive. Banks are very strong today. Apple is very strong today, and Baba is killing it today. I wanted to say that Baba over the highs looks extended, but it made another $0.50. And this is, I guess, into earnings Thursday, I guess, or Friday. So this week, Baba has earnings, and it's running into earnings. I guess somebody is expecting something. All day, like I said before on AAP, anything is possible at this point. The stock is in a bull flag formation. You can watch it in the room. Anything is possible. It can take a $1 dive, but it can move against you the same fast. It can move against you very, very fast. I don't know. I don't see anything. I don't see anything great about trading it right now. Guys, one reminder for tomorrow. Tomorrow we start our Forex class. It's dedicated to swing trades, basically swinging ETFs, futures, basically the NASDAQ, the DAX, or basically any ETF that we have on our platform, and we're not trading on this platform. And the class starts tomorrow, Wednesday at 3 p.m. and will run for 3 days. So anybody that wants to, enhance his knowledge in, especially in futures trading, forex trading, commodities, and we don't trade a lot of commodities. Basically, we trade around 2 or 3. The most liquid and volatile ones. Private message Clifton regarding, what is available to you and according to your plan. But Clifton is on top of that.
Okay, traders, TJX looking fantastic. Now, if you're in that trade, that 70-50 area is going to look great here as we approach it.
Robert, there is no site. You just need to sign up for the class. The class is not in this room. There is a Forex room, and you can get your password to it from the guys at Comex. Or Clifton, sorry, or Clifton.
AAP just looks like it's going straight sideways now. Nothing really happening. This EXTR starting to come alive. Now I'm still holding on to the trade. It's the only thing I'm in now going into the close. We've got about 40 minutes left in the day today.
Guys, anybody bought DFS today? DFS, number 18 on the top 20. Anybody bought this one? It's in the top 20 since the morning, basically. And there was no other reason for me to look at this stock other than the top 20. But if you look at it, it's a funny thing. And in the end, the funny thing, the funny setup made an easy 50-cent move. I don't know why I did not trade it, but in retrospect, big mistake. Good night, Ian. See you tomorrow morning.
I'm long EXTR. I've been long for most of the day. And just holding in there right now. Well, finally, EXPR is starting to come alive. My entry for EXPR, I've got multiple entries here. I'm in at 1049 as my average, 1049, Mohammed. So I'm down on the trade.
Guys, I'm not gonna take the SeaWorld 1420 break, and I'm done for today, really. It was a brutal lunch session with very, very few trading opportunities. Then after the lunch session, a couple of great trades. But I have to say that the market today really played a tough game on us. I think it should have been a lower market, and all the short plays would have been performing much better if not for Baba, Apple, and basically the financials. And technology kept the market from moving much more aggressively to the downside today. And we would have definitely enjoyed a lower market today because there were plenty of short ideas, plenty. LOW again, now 50 cents on a second trade in the money, 50 cents, and I'm out of it a long time ago.
Okay, traders into the close. Got about 30 minutes left right now. 30 minutes left into the close. About 8 cents away, this EXPR. That's the only thing I'm watching right now into the close. Yeah, you know, that's I added at 1050, and that's what brought my share price up. So I mean, if it gets going here, I'll switch it out with AAP. Put the EXTR right here, and AAP I'll take off and put it up above. See if it makes a move higher here.
Scott, Baba is again $2 from all-time highs at 160. Maybe tomorrow morning the 160 will be in play. Keep a reminder on that one.
Yeah, we've been watching it today. I think you're right. I mean, it it looks like it wants higher. It's moving in that direction. I mean, no reason why it shouldn't, right?
I guess people are buying into earnings. That's a great sign of confidence. Same stuff happened, however, with Nvidia, and it dropped 10% on earnings and came back in 2 days. So. Guys, if anybody has a question for me regarding the Forex class tomorrow or anything, please post it. If not, I wish everybody here a very good night and see you tomorrow. Had a great day today, very interesting, plenty of trades. And this is in, mind you, in the middle of the summer, and one season where you expect nothing and plenty of great trades.
Okay, Michael, you take care. Have a great evening. Appreciate you being in here with us today. And I'm looking forward to trading again tomorrow. Again, traders, tomorrow, the Forex currency commodity course kicking off at 3 p.m. tomorrow on a Wednesday midweek. And Michael will be handling that course for us, as he has done for many of the past events. So you'll want to take part in that if you have some interest in it. We'll have Clifton will be all over that tomorrow, letting you guys know the links and so on and so forth. So.
Thanks, Scott. See you tomorrow. Have a good night, everybody.
Take care, Michael. Enjoy yourself. Okay, traders, about 24 minutes to go now. 24 minutes to go. Okay, traders, about 22 minutes before we go now. EJX pulling down. YY, if you're still into this trade on YY, good for you. I've long since been gone, but this is really, really nice now. Good downward move. Okay, we got EXTR coming back up. I do not think I'm going to take another trade here. Let me see how bad that spread is on YY. Wasn't too bad earlier. No, it's only a penny. Yep. Yeah, it does tighten up for sure. Traders, I'll be Yeah, I just think now as we start to go into the close, when you're looking at the overall market today and how we finished and what's been happening with the overall market, today as you look at as we look at where we've been and where we're going to end today, kind of the tail, when you start looking at it, kind of the tail of, we started up, we went to the red, and as we start to look into about 11 minutes left, Dow's up now almost 32 points, S&P up 2.6, NASDAQ barely green at 3 up. So we're going to finish green, but at the same time, really didn't feel like that big a green day. We were short a lot of the morning time, and then from there went long a couple of times. So. Okay, Lou, you take care of yourself. We'll see you in the morning, my friend. No, it does not, and I'm watching it here. It's got strong support at 1040 or strong resistance at 1040. DKS was fine today. Missed it the first time and then nailed it afterwards on DKS. The only thing I've got right now is this EXTR, which is going to be a loser for me, I think, going into the close today. Okay, traders, about 9 minutes to go. I will not place another trade. I know, right? Mohammed, he'd be crazy right now. He'd just be like coming unglued at it. The whole day down, 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 just running down or just grinding down. Now, EXTR is just a matter of how much I want to lose right now. That's all. About 6 minutes to go, traders, into the close today. I don't think we're going to get up and go. I'll wait till the last couple of minutes before I cover. Take a look at a couple other stocks as we go on to close. Small update as to where I think we're going to finish today. Yeah, just about 600, 568 or so. Well, before I take, it's probably gonna be about a $400 day after I take this loss in EXTR. Okay, traders, 3 minutes left. Everybody have a great evening. God bless you guys all. Again, tomorrow morning, 8:45 with Clifton. I'll be here at 9:15. Yes, Linda. Yep, 400. And we'll get tomorrow started. Listen, tomorrow already is what, Wednesday? Hump day tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to it. Again, tomorrow we start our training for Forex commodities currency. Michael will be taking care of that. And I'll see everybody in the room at 9:15 tomorrow. Clifton, thank you so much. Traders, appreciate it. And we will get this room back in order here with these trolls that have been coming into the room. So we'll take care of that here behind the scenes. Everybody have a great night. God bless you guys all. Take care.